Looking for a smart and convenient way to stay organized at home, in the office, or even on the go? A portable Bluetooth label maker is the perfect solution. These compact devices connect seamlessly to your smartphone, letting you design and print custom labels anytime, anywhere. Whether you're organizing kitchen jars, school supplies, office files, or even running a small business, a Bluetooth label maker saves time, cuts costs, and adds a professional touch to your labeling. In this guide, we'll share the 5 best portable Bluetooth label makers that combine portability, ease of use, and creative design options to help you stay organized with style and efficiency. Number 1. Nelko Label Maker. Are you tired of messy drawers, lost school supplies, or mislabeled storage boxes? Meet the Nelko Label Maker 2025 new version, your pocket-sized partner for smart, stylish, and stress-free organization. Compared to traditional label makers, this new Nelko is half the weight, half the size, and twice as convenient. With wireless Bluetooth, you can slip it in your pocket and print labels anytime, anywhere. Thanks to BPA-free direct thermal technology, you'll enjoy crisp and high-definition printing with no ink or toner needed. Equipped with 203 DPI chip and a rechargeable battery, Nelko delivers long-lasting performance that's always ready when you are. And the best part? It's super easy to use. Just download the Nelko app, load your label paper, connect via Bluetooth, and you're ready to print. With over 90 fonts, 10+ languages, and 450+ templates, you can create labels that are as unique as you are. From barcodes to QR codes to icons, borders, and images, the app gives you endless creative possibilities. Choose from multiple label sizes, perfect for home, office, or school. At home, keep your pantry, clothes, and cosmetics neat and tidy. In the office, organize files, tag supplies, and even print price labels. And at school, teachers and kids can personalize notebooks, name tags, and classroom items with ease. Small, smart, and powerful, the Nelko Label Maker 2025 new version makes organizing fun and effortless. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to smart labeling anytime, anywhere. Number 2. Phomemo D30 Label Maker. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to smart organization with the Phomemo D30 Bluetooth Label Maker. Upgrade version. Compact, lightweight, and portable, it's the perfect tool for home, school, office, and even small business use. The D30 is half the weight of traditional label makers and comes equipped with German thermal printhead technology. That means smoother printing, faster processing, and crystal clear labels every time. With inkless thermal printing, you'll never have to worry about buying ink, toner, or ribbons again. Simply load a colorful thermal tape and start printing instantly. It's eco-friendly, cost-effective, and hassle-free. And the creativity? Endless. Choose from 1,000+ symbols, 60+ frames, and a wide range of fonts. Add barcodes, QR codes, logos, tables, even images, and voice-to-text labels directly from your phone. Whether it's classroom organization, food storage, cable management, price tags, or personal name labels, the D30 makes every project simple and fun. And with its mini size and built-in rechargeable battery, the D30 is always ready when you are. Just connect via Bluetooth, design your label, and print anytime, anywhere. From home to office to school, the Phomemo D30 Bluetooth Label Maker brings clarity, creativity, and convenience into your everyday life.
Number 3. NIIMBOT Label Maker. Struggling to stay organized? Meet the NIIMBOT D110 Label Maker 2025 new version. The pocket-sized solution for your home, school, office, and even small business needs. Smaller, smarter, and better than ever. This compact label maker offers superior print clarity, smooth printing, and fast processing. Perfect for quick household use or labeling for school. Equipped with BPA-free direct thermal technology and a 203 DPI chip, you'll get sharp, high-definition labels without ever needing ink or toner. Plus, with a durable, rechargeable battery, you can print for hours and slide it right into your pocket when you're done. Getting started is easy. Just download the NIIMBOT app, connect via Bluetooth, and you're ready to go. The app supports batch printing, comes with ready-to-use templates, and works on both iPhone and Android devices. With intelligent identification technology, the D110 automatically recognizes the type of label you load. Choose from clear, colorful, gift tapes, or even round labels. All waterproof and oil-proof for long-lasting durability. At home, label storage, food, and cosmetics. At school, organize notes and supplies. In the office, tag files and cables. And for small businesses, create custom price tags, jewelry labels, and more. Compact, creative, and convenient, the NIIMBOT D110 Label Maker helps you stay organized anytime, anywhere.
Number 4. SUPVAN E10 Label Maker. Need an easier way to stay organized at home, in the office, or at school? Meet the SUPVAN E10 Bluetooth Label Maker, the compact, powerful tool that makes labeling simple and fun. With the SUPVAN app, you can start creating labels right away. No fees, no registration, and no messy ink or toner required. Just charge it once, and the battery lasts up to a full month. Personalize your labels with 40 fonts, 30 frames, and over 450 icons, all included for free. From playful to professional, you can design labels that fit any style. Need flexibility? Use continuous label tape for fully customized lengths, or fixed size labels for batch printing. And with the built-in cutter, trimming is quick and easy. Plus, SUPVAN labels are laminated, waterproof, oil-proof, scratch-resistant, and heat-resistant. Perfect for the kitchen, bathroom, office, or classroom, without worrying about fading or peeling. Small, stylish, and smart, the SUPVAN E10 Bluetooth Label Maker helps you organize your world one label at a time. Number 5. NDYIN Label Maker. Want a smarter way to organize your home, office, or school? Meet the NDYIN N12 Label Maker. The 2025 new model, the compact and powerful labeling tool that fits right in your pocket. At half the weight and size of traditional label makers, the N12 is smaller, smarter, and easier to carry anywhere. And with 203 DPI high-resolution printing, your labels come out sharp, clear, and professional every time. Thanks to BPA-free direct thermal technology, there's no ink, toner, or ribbons needed, ever. And with its rechargeable lithium battery, you'll save money while printing more labels for less. The free NativePrint app unlocks your creativity with over 1,000 symbols, 270 frames, and 100 fonts. Add barcodes, QR codes, tables, logos, even images or timestamps, all from your phone with just a few taps. With Bluetooth wireless connection, you can design and print labels instantly from both iOS and Android. Choose from a variety of fixed label sizes, perfect for any project. At home, organize your pantry, clothes, or cosmetics. At school, personalize supplies and name tags. In the office, manage files and cables. And for small businesses, create jewelry tags, price labels, and more. Lightweight, versatile, and easy to use, the NDYIN N12 Label Maker makes organization simple, affordable, and fun. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.